Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify Add to Cart button color. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser when you open your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are in My Shopify, the next step is to click on Online Store. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading. You will now be redirected to Themes. In your current theme, the next step is to look for it. You will know it's your current theme because it has a green bar that says current theme, and then click on Customize. In here, the website will once again load. Wait for it to finish loading. It might take some time. But don't worry, let's wait for it together. In here, you will click on Theme Settings. It's on the left side of your screen. Once you are here, you're going to look for Colors. It's the second option over at Theme Settings. It's not hard to miss. Then click on the drop down. After clicking on the drop down, you will now scroll down and then look for Background. Now just tap on it. You could also adjust everything else from background gradient, secondary colors, and all the other nitbits on how you want to adjust your theme settings. Once you are all good to go and satisfied with your creation, the next step is just to exit the theme settings. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.